Over the last few months, you guys have been sending me some interesting photos of washed up creatures. The remains of what was described as a weird creature were discovered by a woman who was walking her dogs on the beach. Beth took a photograph of the weird creature, which she said was around 5 feet in length. As with most of these photos, the creature has caused quite a lot of controversy, and people have come up with many theories about what the creature might be. Many people said that it might be a dead dolphin or perhaps a porpoise. This is something that first came to the mind of Beth when she stumbled upon the creature. Other people have said that the snout of the dead beast resembles that of a crocodile, because it's elongated and has a long tail. Up to now, many people have suggested the dead creature could be a sea monster, such as the Loch Ness Monster. However, as the photograph has just been taken, scientists haven't been able to study it. Dr. Foreman, an environmental expert, was the person called in to investigate the creature. He gave his thoughts about the creature. He said that it was not a crocodile, and said it was preposterous to consider that it was, and said that it's more likely a cetacean such as a dolphin or a whale. However, many have pointed out the creature's tail looks nothing like a cetacean's. One person who saw the photo said the following: "I think there's creatures living in our oceans that we don't know of. Every so often creatures wash up on our beach that scientists can't explain. It happens here in the US all the time." Another person agreed, saying the following: "I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look like a whale. It could have been a crocodile that washed up on the shore." It's important to remember that we have explored less than 5% of the ocean. Much remains to be learned from exploring the mysteries of the deep. Incredibly, humans have explored and mapped large parts of the planet Mars and the Moon in outer space, but only a small part of the oceans of the world have been explored. So what do you guys think this creature is? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.